Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Mozilla Firefox browser. So let's get straight into the video. What you need to do is come down to the search box, right, spell it right, Mozilla Firefox, here, and then you've got the first one coming up as download Firefox. So what you need to do is click on that. And then you're going to click, so this is the Mozilla Firefox. What you need to do is go to the top right hand corner and download Firefox. It says almost there. Now run the installer that just downloaded. So can you see in the bottom left hand corner? Click on the arrow facing up and click open. And then click on yes, modifications. It's trying to install it. So now the browser is being installed. So it says optimizing your settings for speed, privacy, and safety. Firefox will be ready in just a few moments. My bad. So it looks like it's installed it. I'm going to check on the desktop if it's there. Yes, it has. Can you see the icon on the bottom right here? It's installed it. So if you click that, there you are. This is the Mozilla Firefox browser. It says the fast, safe, and private browser that's backed by a non-profit. And then you can start set up. If you start set up, import your main things from others. So now I'm going to click. You can change the settings in terms of the theme, automatic, light, dark, whatever. I like the dark color. That's good. Looks good. So I'm going to save the theme, and there you are. It's all set up. Yeah. So this is the Mozilla Firefox browser. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And also make sure you comment down below of what other things you want me to record about and what videos you want me to do. Thank you guys. Bye bye.